Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Cancer, water sign. This is March weekly reading and this is general. May or may not resonate everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa guys. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Cancer, water sign. What are the messages for you and what's going on? What are the messages for you and what's going on? Cancer. What are the messages for you and what's going on? What are the messages for Cancer? Wow, looking positive. Page of Pentacles, the Lovers. Communication is coming, and for some children also involved in this connection. So there is communication, apology. I think apology is coming. Someone is coming back with an apology. For some, your person already approached you. Yeah, for some, you both are in no contact situation. For some, but someone is coming to communicate with you, and the Lovers card is here. Definitely there is love between both of you. So let's see. You are reading recent past, the Judgment, Six of Swords and Three of Pentacles. I think in recent past you made a decision regarding your love life. Six of Swords. Maybe you decided to move on from this person, but they approached you through communication, because Three of Pentacles, they want partnership with you. They want to work on this relationship. Someone approached you, some communication you received regarding this relationship. Yeah, but you are the decision maker here. The decision is in your hands. If you want this person, you will accept. If you don't, you will reject. The total decision is in your hands. Then present, the Chariot, Empress and Magician. The present energy is very, very good. You are concentrating on yourself, on your growth, on your self-growth especially, and the manifesting energy you are in right now. You will manifest whatever you want. Yeah, this is very powerful energy. And the Chariot, I think things are moving slowly in this maybe in your life right now, but in near future there are some positive shifts coming in your life. Yeah, and future, Ace of Pentacles, the Fool and Eight of Wands. There is lots of communication coming. You will receive lots of communication, and there will be back and forth communication. And the Ace of Pentacles with the Fool. Maybe your person want brand new beginnings with you. If you are in separation, if you are not in separation, your person want to take this relationship to next level. They want to take leap of faith and want to marry you. Marriage proposals are coming, and lots of communication is coming. In financial also, there is a lot of abundance is coming in your way, Cancer. And the person involved in this connection could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Cancer, or Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. So let's see your person feelings and actions towards you. Then we will get more clarity what's going between you and your person. So your person feelings towards you, Cancer. The Lovers again. They are very attracted to you physically, especially what I'm seeing here. So Eight of Swords, Two of Swords, Queen of Cups, their feelings towards you. So they're feeling stuck right now. They have to make some decision regarding this relationship, but they are very indecisive about that decision. Eight of Swords, Two of Swords. They're stuck. They're literally stuck. They don't know how to approach you. Maybe even they want to take this relationship to next level, but they're feeling stuck, and they have strong emotions for you, because Queen of Cups energy is here, Cancer. They have so much love for you. So let's see their actions towards you, Cancer. Your person actions towards you. Seven of Pentacles. Two cards. I'm not taking. Five of Swords. I think there is a lot of drama going between you and your person. Maybe they're waiting for the right time. Because Seven of Pentacles, maybe they are waiting for you to take action towards them. And Five of Wands and Five of Swords, maybe they, and Three of Swords. There is a lot of things going between you and your person. A lot of drama is going right now, to be frank. Cancer, Five of Swords, they may be cheated on you, lied to you. Their actions, lot of drama. I think they want to take this relationship to next level, but I think in words they're telling, but in actions, no. There is no proper action towards you, to be frank. And Five of Wands, lot of drama. Again, lot of drama. They're indecisive, but they have love for you. There is communication is coming, but I think there is no proper commitment here. But they're feeling heartbroken without you. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and the outcome. And the person involved in this connection could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. Knight of Cups and Eight of Cups. Still there. I think they're confused right now. Their confusion between head over heart. Their heart loves you, Knight of Cups. Their brain, Eight of Cups, maybe. I think they want you back. Maybe they're holding back. They want you back, they're holding back. There is some confusion, your person. First, they have to make their mind before coming towards you. What I'm getting here. There are a lot of things, lot of drama going. Cancer. But you are concentrating on your work. If not, do. Concentrating on yourself. Concentrating on your growth. Please do it. Don't waste your time. Yeah, there is type. I think you want to end Scorpio and Death card is, maybe you want to end this with your person because they are putting in your waiting mode. 8, 7 of Pentacles energy. You are fed up with that energy. That's why you want to decide to end. Maybe you walked away from this connection because there is no equal give and take. You only the person always investing, always waiting. They are putting you in waiting mode. That is very, very deceptive. Yeah, a lot of drama. Again, 5 of Wands. I think justice, you decided to cut off this person from your life. So let's see your overall energy for the week. Cancer. The World. Some cycles are going to be end between both of you. For some, this could be long distance. Yeah, you decided to not accepting this cup of love which is offered by your person because they decided to, even though they decide to come back, maybe you don't want to offer, you don't want to accept. And financial stability is coming. Yeah, you stand by your power. Now you want the best, you deserve the best. You're taking your control back. So let's see your person overall energy for the week. Cancer. Empress. Maybe for some children also involved in this connection. Yeah, they're coming back but taking it very slowly. Ace of Pentacles and 9 of Wands. Yeah, still your person guarded up but want to offer commitment. They are in some confusion state. Even though they are guarded up, they're thinking about you, but they're not taking any action. Very slow moving. Not a proper action. So let's see some messages from your person and from channel. Cancer, your person. I'm not feel good enough for you. Stability is coming. Player. For some, your person could be player because they are not making any decision. Mask. Maybe they are wearing mask because they're saying one thing and doing another thing. Twin flames. For some, you both could be twin flames also. So yeah, these are the messages from channel. Definitely twin flames, player, stability is coming. Maybe financial stability for some because you are getting a lot of abundance. So then it's up to you. Even though they are coming back, for some it could be a player wearing mask. So depending upon your situation, you have to make decision. And for some, your person feeling they are not good enough for you. Maybe they are, that's why they are juggling also. So let's see some messages from Moon Oracle deck for you. Emotions are running high. So if your emotions are running high, do meditation and take some break. Heal yourself. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Bye.